What's wrong with that computer? Jeez, the printer doesn't work. Darn.
Hello?
It's Grandpa. I need some help with my printer. It just won't print.
Do you have a driver?
A driver? No, I said the printer won't work.
You have to have a driver.
What do you mean? I already have a driver. I got a new one last month, and now I'm shooting back in the 80s.
Well, I'm talking about the driver that goes on your computer.
Hey, did I ever tell you about the time I golfed with Tom Watson?
Don't let computer problems contribute to your family dysfunction. Give Texpert Technology a call at 817-381-4481 and let a certified technician resolve the problem for you. Can fix most problems remotely and always one call away. Texpert Technology, 817-381-4481.